How you doing? I hope you enjoyed your Christmas yesterday. Today, I wanted to let you know about the 10 best buys. We've got a list of the 10 best buys in the cities of like Fullerton, the surrounding cities in the Fullerton area, Garden Grove, Anaheim, Santa Ana, plus like cities like Whittier, all the way down to Fontana, Rancho Cucamonga. If you're thinking about buying a home in 2020, and this is your year to do that, I encourage you to just reach out to me and we can get you up this free list of the 10 best buys that you're thinking about moving to in 2020. All you have to do is just give me a call at the phone number is 562-252-7889. Some of this list includes like probate sales, homes that you just can't find on Trulia, Zillow, Redfin. You can't find these homes. These are what we call off-market properties. So the list will include probate sales, bank foreclosures, company-owned properties, distressed sales, corporate-owned properties. These are all homes that are being listed, that will be listed. And if you want to beat out buyers to these properties, just give us a call and we'll get access to these homes. Some of these homes are owned by corporations. They actually flipping these properties right now. And if you want to get that list ahead of before they actually hit the market, just give me a call. Again, the phone number is area code 562-252-7889.